Have you ever stared at a test question and felt completely lost, like the answer was just out of reach, even though you knew the material? It is a common experience, but what if I told you that the key to unlocking those tough questions often lies within the test itself? You use question context on a test by actively looking for clues and related information embedded directly within the question, its answer choices, or even other questions throughout the exam. This smart strategy helps you decode complex prompts, narrow down options, and arrive at the correct answer, even when you are unsure at first glance. This technique works because test designers, whether they intend to or not, frequently provide subtle hints. Questions on a test are not isolated islands. They are often part of a larger theme, a specific passage, or a chapter you have studied. Understanding these connections helps you think like the test writer, guiding you toward the expected answer and away from common traps. To put this into practice, first, read every question carefully, identifying keywords and phrases that signal what is being asked. For multiple choice questions, scrutinize the answer options. Sometimes, one option will be clearly out of place or directly contradict another, helping you eliminate distractors. Next, do not be afraid to scan other questions in the same section or even elsewhere in the test. You might find a definition, a specific detail, or even the answer to a previous question that illuminates your current dilemma. Finally, pay close attention to any accompanying text, diagrams, charts, or graphs, as these are rich sources of direct context that can contain the precise information you need. An insider tip many successful students use is recognizing that test makers often employ what are called interdependent questions. This means that one question might require information found in another question or an earlier part of the test. By cross-referencing, you can piece together the larger picture. For instance, a later question might define a term used in an earlier, confusing question. Using this approach can significantly boost your accuracy and confidence. Ultimately, leveraging question context is about being an active and strategic test taker. It transforms a seemingly difficult question into a solvable puzzle, allowing you to recall information more effectively, avoid common pitfalls, and efficiently manage your time. This method empowers you to perform your best by making the entire test a helpful resource, rather than just a series of standalone challenges.